We're just shooting clays at the minute, and I thought it'd be a bit of fun if I shoot a few with the air rifle. So I'm just going to put it on the head cam and have a go. Virak HW100. So a friend just had some spare clay, so we're really just having a bit of fun over the field. Pull! First shot. Pull! Oh! Oh! As you can see, they're not very hard clays, they're pretty much right on top of us. Just give it a bit of lead. So there you go, a few shots shooting clays with the air rifle. Alright, so James is shooting now, and he's using a 9mm shooting clays. Come on, James. What a miss. Jasp, come here. Sit down, stay. Shot. And before we get the comments saying that we should be wearing eye protection, yeah, we probably know that already. That too long? Yeah, a little bit. That was the last one. Oh. So also for the comments that are saying like what's my favourite rifle, basically all you've got to do is look at what rifle I use the most on my main channel, and it is this, the HW100. I just love this gun, and yeah, it's just phenomenal. No! Oh! Oh, it hit me straight in the arm. So I've had a few hits with it. I think I've had 6 with the air rifle now, and here he is, the natural born hunter killer. Have you got anything in it now? So other side, other side. Hey, yes, Tom. Thanks for watching. Cracking finish from Tom there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I say, it is just a laugh with some friends over a field, and we decided to record it. Cheers.